Hello everyone again. So this is part 2 of today's lesson. So you have this lesson, right? You have the story after the flood. Now I want you to read this for tomorrow. This will be your homework for tomorrow. I know that you did it, but this time I want you to really go back to your answers to the questions here and do it again, okay? Now while we're reading, I want to teach you how to read the story. Now, does anyone know what is a flood? Did you try to go and search for it? So, this is how we study. So I come here to Google and I type flood meaning. And this is what it says. It's an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits, especially over what is normally dry land. And it gives you here an example. The villagers had been cut off by floods and landslides. Okay? So it's an overflow over, يعني extra, flow of large amounts of water. So it's a lot of water when it comes on dry land, and it can even come into your house. Now, what is the meaning of flood in Arabic? Tawafan. Okay, this is the meaning of flood. Now, in the Bible, we have a story of a flood that happened here on earth, and I want you to watch with me this story from the Bible. We all know it. It's Noah and the ark. Noah and the ark, Nuh. Okay, let's watch this story together.
Universe. He created the sun and moon and stars, the sky above and the sea below. God created the animals and the people. Over time, the people on earth began to do bad things because they didn't listen to God. There was
Okay, هقطع لكم هون هيدا البارت. So, the story says that at that time, people were very bad on the earth. And so God spoke to Noah. God حكى مع نوح وقال له نوح أنا رح أبعت flood على الأرض وبدي إياك تعمر هيدا الأرك. An ark هو شخطورة أو باخرة كتير كبيرة اسمها ark. A-R-K. Okay, this is what we mean by a big boat. وبهيدا البوت بدي إياك تحط كل عائلتك فيها وبدي إياك تحط كمان the pairs of animals. All the animals of the earth, I want you to find pairs. شو يعني pairs وقت قلكن let's work in pairs in class? Pairs, it means 2 by 2. 2 people work together. So each 2 animals will come together into this ark.
ark. He told Noah exactly how to build the ark, and it was to be the biggest boat ever built. God told Noah to build an ark for his family and the animals to live on during the flood. When the ark was ready, God told Noah to load everyone into the
So
large
this is
boat.
his family.
They entered in pairs, each with another of its kind.
So you see, this is what we call a pair. A pair, it means 2, a boy and a girl, a male and a female of one animal.
After 7 days, it started to rain. The underground waters erupted from the earth, and the rain fell in mighty torrents from the sky.
Okay, so this is what we call a flood. Flood يعني طوفان. Okay, يعني where water covers all the earth.
It rained for 40 days and 40 nights, and then stopped. Many days
So it rained for 40 days 40 نهار و40 ليلة. بعدين وقفت الشتاء.
later, Noah sent out a dove to find dry land, but the dove came back. After 7 days, Noah sent out the dove again, and it returned with a branch. After 7 more days, Noah released the dove again. This time, it did not return.
Okay, so Noah وقتها وقفت الشتاء وقتها there was no rain anymore. Okay, but there was still water. The flood was still there on the earth. Noah decided, let me send out a pigeon, a bird. Okay? And the bird went out and came
This
2
time, it
times.
did not return. This made no
So this is the first time.
Noah released the dove again.
The dove.
This time, it did not return. This made Noah think the dove
So the first one The first time, the dove returned to the ark. The second time, the dove returned with a branch. Okay, مع غصن بيتمه. شو يعني غصن؟ يعني بلش ينزل المي. Okay. وثالث مرة, he sent it back again.
7 more days, Noah released the dove again.
And this time,
it did not return.
And this time the dove did not return. Why? Because خلص صار في أرض, صار في شجر, صار في land, وراحت البird وبقيت برا. Okay, there was no point for it to stay in the
This made
boat.
Noah think the dove found dry land where it could rest. Noah lifted the covering of the boat and saw that the surface of the ground was dry. Noah trusted in God's plan and
Okay, so as you see here, there was no flood anymore. It was dry land. صار الأرض ناشفة.
God protected his family during the flood.
Okay, so let me show you some floods that have happened. For example, this one, it was in Germany. This was a flood in Germany. طوفان. You see, it's very scary, very, very scary. Imagine هيك قدام بيتكم and inside your house. Okay, so this was in Germany. This is another one in China. This is on the bus. Imagine, it's actually in the subway. Okay, so as you can see, floods are very, very scary and they are very dangerous. So now I want you to try to think when you are reading the story, okay, when you are reading the flood, okay, look what it says here in the first paragraph. Reading about weather in books is one thing. So when we are reading about a flood that happened, okay, it seems scary. But living through a natural disaster was another. But when you actually live the experience, when you actually live in the flood, it is extremely scary, even more scary. So he says here, even though the flood was not too bad, I was not prepared for what it was really like. And here he starts telling us the story of what happened, what caused the flood. شو سبب الطوفان. And if you look here at the last picture, okay, you can see that even the buildings, the houses are covered with water. Okay, لك لوين واصلة المي للشبابيك. Look, the people are in the boat. تخيلوا انتوا على الطريق وحاطين boat وعم تمشوا فيها, بطل في سيارات, بطل في شي. And look at the last paragraph here. It says, I can't believe those people lost all their clothes and household items. يعني ما بصدق إنه هود الناس خسروا كل تيابهم وكل شي بالبيت. We should go through our stuff and see what we can donate. We're lucky we only had a couple of inches of water in our basement. It could have been worse, a lot worse, said Dad. Mom and I agreed, even though we didn't have power and fixing the basement could get expensive, we were lucky. So this boy, water came into his house, into his basement. He says here he only had a couple of inches. مش كتير مي مثل ما شايفين هون, غير بيوت تخربوا, بس هو بيته مش هالقد تسبب. وأكيد ما كان في كهرباء. Imagine water and electricity. It doesn't work. So there he had no power. Power يعني electricity يعني كهرباء. Alright. So now I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. غمضوا عيونكم. And I'm going to play this video and I want you to imagine, okay, that you are living in a flood. بديكم تتخيلوا إنه عم بيصير في flood هون بلبنان. Okay? So close your eyes. Okay. How do you think this feels? Is it scary? بخوف? Is it scary? I think it's very scary, especially إنه بتحسوا إنه عم تختنقوا، عم تعلى وتعلى وتعلى المي. The water is increasing and increasing and increasing, and خلاص you can't breathe anymore. So, what I want you to do, since today we are learning how to read, I want you to think, okay, of how you felt when you were reading about after the flood. How did you feel? Okay, what did you touch? What did you hear? What did you see? What happened in your brain when you were reading? Okay, and for tomorrow, because we will read this together tomorrow, okay, I want you to circle the words, okay, that made you feel something. Remember بأول video with the woman explaining, she told you that you need to use your 5 senses, الحواس الخمسة. Okay, what you see, what you feel, what you hear, what you touch, what you taste. I want you to circle some words here that made you feel something. Okay, so this is your homework for tomorrow. So guys, remember for tomorrow you have 2 things. You have the story, the flood, and the questions, and what I just asked you now to do, to imagine that you are living in that experience. And the second thing that you need to do is to study for your test. Okay, review all the papers that I gave you. راجعوا كل البيجز يلي عطيتكم الworksheets. Okay, كل شي يلي عطيتكم إياه راجعوا كل شي. And كمان what you can also do is go to Google and write online exercise about, for example, demonstrative pronouns. Okay, وبيعطوكم many things, and if you click on this, for example, it will give you the exercise that we did in class, remember? And you can start doing it. أو مثلا you can click on something else, online exercises about fanboys. Because أنا when I prepare your test, by the way, كل شي باخدهم من هون. So just choose any link that you want. Okay, for example, look, this old woman spoke neither Polish nor Russian. Okay, hon, they are giving you the answers. Okay, but there are many places with the explanation, and you have here explanation. Please guys, tomorrow كلكن you have to have a good grade, a very good grade. Okay, لأن هودي صرنا عاملين مراجعة عليهم 1000 مرة. You can write here about pronouns, about whatever you want. Pronouns, grammar exercises, and then you click down and you choose. You want, for example, I don't know, this one. Okay, and you start. And for example, this is a very good exercise that I can give you in the test. Is dreaming, and they put here in parentheses George. George يعني he. Okay, and when you finish it, you put check. Alright, and for example, this is correct.